Hello dear students, today we will proceed to the structure mode. We will construct the foundation on the soil as in first tutorial we defined the stratigraphy of the soil and we made the soil material by entering different properties to the soil and also boundary condition. Now we will proceed to the structure mode. So we will open the previous project, that is tutorial 1 on foundation. Okay, so we previously made this soil. Now we will further proceed to the structure. As you see here, the structure. Now we will construct the foundation on the soil. So first of all, these are, if you want to create a point, this for line, this for surface. So we will create a surface. So our surface building is a rectangular or a square. So we will mark 4 points. Now we will enter our coordinates, that is minus 18, 36, minus 18. Our building is 36 meter by 36 meter with 2 meter depth. So we will create first a surface to provide a path to the building. Now we will enter here the surface points, it is x minus 18 and y minus 18. I entered these minus 18 and minus 18. The negative signs is just because I want my origin to be in the center of the building. That's why I'm entering this x and y in negative. Now second point, I have x minus 18 and y 18. Now third point, positive 18, positive 18. In 4 point, positive 18 and negative 18. So okay, now this is our surface. Our surface is created and it is selected, as its color shows that it's red, so the red color shows that the object is selected. If I press escape, so now our object, no object is selected. When I click on the surface, so it is selected. After that we have to construct a volume. So here by extrude command, we will click on extrude command, select the object, then we will click to the extrude command. Clicking extrude command, if you want to extrude the building in XY direction, or say I want to extrude my building in Z direction and my thickness is minus 2 meter, the thickness of the foundation is 2 meter, so I entered 2 meter in negative direction. Apply. Now we will delete the upper surface. Now this is our volume, this is our foundation. So our foundation is created. So after that we will mesh our foundation in soil. So this is a mesh. Mesh is basically dividing the project or the elements in the project into finite element to analyze them. So we'll select this, refine mesh, and this and this. Okay, we'll select this. So or now we will click on generate mesh. So it will generate, we will mesh it in the whole project into a coarser mesh, because we want to have less time for the analysis. So we will enter coarse. If you require to very fine or medium, so you can enter according to your requirements. I will enter coarse. Okay, so our mesh is generating. Yes, so here you can see that whole project is divided into 4750 elements and 8095 nodes. So our mesh is generated. So this was our second tutorial about the structure and mesh. In further tutorial we will talk about the stage construction and the analysis of this project. Thank you.